woke up this morning, my phone was blacked out but not working.
Yep.
So we just had to go get a new phone. And just to be nice, I upgraded the wife also, which we got a really good deal on our trade-ins. So anyways, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all being here. We're headed into the heart of Chicago to go pick up the load to go to Texas. So let's get to getting. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't do is grow this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and share this out with your friends.
Everybody, we are here in downtown Chicago again. We just have to realize, like, this location, you got to be closer to your appointment time than anything, or you're just going to be in the way. So we wound up getting here closer to our appointment time than last time. So, but it gets us to a really good board in Texas, thank goodness.
People ask what we do. We go down alleyways in Chicago. We pick up freight, that's what we do. If you're not ready and willing to do this, don't get in a box truck, don't get in an expedited, don't get none of that, because this is the stuff you have to do. Not every time, but they pay the money, so that's what you got to do.
He's going to be driving out. I'm going to be trying to take a nap to be able to get ready to drive tonight, and we should be there first thing in the morning. Alright, looks like we have made it to Normal, Illinois. He's taking his 30-minute break and going to get us something to eat, and then we'll be back on the road shortly. They're just wild and up here Normal, aren't they?
I'm telling you, they feel like they gotta park, just park anywhere. Just anywhere to slide your tandems, to drop your trailer, to... Whew.
Ridiculous.
Brains are dynamite.
Yep.
Here's an idea. If you're gonna slide tandems or do whatever, park out of the way. Don't park in the middle of the parking lot or block an exit.
Yeah.
Remember, there's other people in the truck stop other than you. Just like there's other people on the highway other than you. It's a very hard concept. Anyways.
We're getting back on the highway, so.
Yeah, we just stopped to grab a snack, use the bathroom. And we don't have to be in Dallas until 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But we're going to try to kick this off in the morning.
If they'll let us.
If they'll let us. If not, yeah, we'll take our time, I guess. But anyways, back on the road. Did I tell you I had to get a new cell phone today? I'm still aggravated by it. Like, I hate the fact that you go get a new cell phone and you have to log back into all your apps, right? And then they're like, oh, do the passcode thingy jobber to make it easier to log in. It doesn't. It makes it harder. Especially when your phone, like, literally dies.
Yeah.
And you have no access to your own phone because they gave you $1,000 to trade it in and it was broken. So it's like, take my broken piece of junk. I don't care. Anyways, I'm going to rant about that for a day or so, probably. You can ask the wife.
Yeah.
Anyways, we are... we are 818 miles to go. I got 5 hours to drive, and then she's going to take over, so she's got to go take a nap.
Yep.
But she was hungry, so I had to feed her.
Yeah.
You don't like her when she's hungry.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go.
Good morning. We have made it to Dallas after stop and go traffic. It was ridiculous, okay? But we made it finally. He went off on them. I don't know what that was about, but I mean, you heard it from the dog's mouth. So we are empty. We're fixing to go to a truck stop and possibly do a Walmart order, get some food. We kind of haven't had the chance to restock, so I think that's what we're going to try to do today.
All right, y'all. Like she told you, we are signed, sealed, delivered, paperwork sent in. We are empty. About, what, 3 hours early?
Yeah.
So, on the way to the truck stop, remember, y'all, be good to one another.
And live to expedite another day.
We're out.